And Atul, your title is Director Pharmaceutical Continuous Manufacturing for USP, and Mike just talked somewhat about setting standards. Um, you know, what are you up to? What is the what are you working with in the industry as far as getting towards standards that everyone understands and that will push continuous forward?
So when we started looking in this area about a few years ago, uh, we did what we do best is that we convene experts from the industry, from regulatory bodies and academia, and we ask them really what should we be doing. And what we learned was that before we get to any standards, we need to propagate the knowledge and come out with the best use case scenarios. By use case scenarios, I mean the best practices that people should be looking at without being prescriptive about it. One thing that we are looking at now is to look at control strategies. Some of the techniques are becoming kind of ubiquitous. They are becoming very popular, like residence time distribution based tools. So now, and they are also mature now. So we are coming up with the methods and stimuli articles and publications that are talking about these methods getting popular, and potentially they will find their way eventually into a documentary standard one day.
Mm-hmm.
Aside from that, we realize that there is a need for capability building for the industry. So we have launched educational programs. We are now building what we call a continuous manufacturing knowledge center, wherein people will be able to register and get verified, curated scientific knowledge and know-how about continuous manufacturing. We are also offering a lot of services now, which USP has never done. Analytical services, because USP has this history and strong capability in analytical chemistry. We are working in Richmond with Flow Corporation on a specific topic under the BARDA grant to help build processes for essential APIs. We have Pharmatech Associates, our friend, because he's here. So we have a lot of activity now going on in the continuous